Up on his face. You couldn't get any of me. You want to go right now? You couldn't get me. You want to go right now? You want to go right now? You want to go right now? Come on, let's go. Anytime, any place, let's go. Let's go. Come on, you ain't getting ready to fight back. Save it for later. Good Lord.
12 years. It's like we never left. Never left.
Vetrano brothers, much respect. We'll come back to you when we got those straps, but until then, it's time to move on.
Speaking
What do we
of
got next?
Moving on. South Philly's finest. What was that? Trying to come at us once we got to the back? That's not how we roll. You want to mess with us? Meet us in that ring. Anytime, any place.
And no colors, just brothers. Hey man, all the respect in the world, but you're an obstacle. So we're gonna go around you, or we're gonna go through you. It doesn't matter which.
As stated before, we're the sons of old school, fueling the fire of tradition.
Yeah.
And if you don't like that,
It's end scene, fade to black, lights off,
and we'll be your worst
nightmares.